Don't worry, it's not a full moon day. Hello everybody, it's me Mukil again. Welcome to Learn with Mukil. You might be wondering what the topic is today. I think some of you already know what it is. It is about the moon, not just about the mythical full moon effects. Alright, let's get into the topic. Where does the word moon come from? It's originated from Latin words. There are two words. The first one is metri and the second one is menses. Menses means month, metri means measure, measuring the month. When people saw our moon, they thought there was only one moon, but everything changed in 1610 when Galileo found 4 more moons, the moons of Jupiter. And then the other planets' moons were named. Who names the other planets' moons? International Astronomical Union. Let's get into facts about moons. First, moon is a natural satellite and it orbits planets, dwarf planets, and even asteroids. Some moons have atmosphere and frozen water underneath them. And there are about 200 moons in our solar system. It's a lot to discover and learn. Now we put on our spacesuits, which we made on Earth. And our tour guide, Space Robo, is the space robo which will tell us where we are and drive the spacecraft. Let's go to the Goldilocks zone now. First, let's look into the moons and planets of our Goldilocks zone. Mercury has no moons. Venus has no moons. Earth has 1 moon, which is the only moon you can see without a telescope. And Mars has 2 moons, named after Roman gods, Fear and Panic, Phobos and Deimos. Now we're going beyond the asteroid belt. Let's assume we're on Jupiter. We will see 79 moons. That's a lot. And Galileo found 4 moons with his first telescope. And those are called the Galilean moons. The first one, Europa, Io, Ganymede, Callisto. 53 moons are named, 26 are yet to be named. We continue our journey and take a closer look at all the moons of Jupiter. And now we see 3 rings. We're wondering what it is. And then our space robot tells us it is Saturn. We stop our spacecraft and look at the sky. And we see 82 moons. That's a lot. In fact, it's the most in our solar system. And one special moon and famous moon is Titan. 53 moons are already named and remaining are waiting to be named. Now we go on a journey to Uranus. I'm so tired. A fun fact about Uranus is that its moons and it is named mostly from William Shakespeare's plays. And Uranus has 27 moons. Now let's move on to Neptune. Neptune has 14 moons and it's named after sea creatures and the planet is named after a Roman sea god, Neptune. Now we move on to the dwarf planet, Pluto. Can you believe it? It also has 5 moons, more than any in our Goldilocks zone. Wow! Now I'm really tired. I'm gonna take rest in our spaceship, and Robo has activated a bed. Thank you for watching, viewers. Please support and subscribe my channel.